Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, The Small Travel Angel. There I'm back with another vlog, and today in this vlog we are going to Chiba. You all would have seen that reel on Instagram, and that you all would have seen that train which is flying in the air, that sky train. We are going to be sitting in that. Hopefully it's not closed today, so otherwise we'll go again tomorrow. It's a dream of my mom to go there. Okay, so we are going there. So first now we are taking a subway from here to Kanda, and from Kanda we'll take a JR line, Yamanote line train to Tokyo. Then from Tokyo we'll take the Keio line and go towards Chiba Note Man, some station. I'll write it down. So we are going to that station. From there the monorail, the Chiba monorail operates. I'm hyped. Everyone is hyped. Are you hyped?
Yeah, I'm hyped. That's okay, you know. He's my...
What?
You know, this train we have been looking forward for a very long time.
Okay. Thank you. So now we are going to Kanda, and then we have a lot of interchange of trains. We enjoyed Asakusa a lot. Now I'm hyped for Chiba, and mostly we'll have a dinner there in Chiba at a Japanese restaurant. I want to eat some tempuras or something. So yeah, let's see. Guys, actually I wore my mummy ka topi, sorry. So actually before going to Chiba, we thought that we'll go there tomorrow, because thoda sa wo, you know, ujale mein maza aata, because you know the sky train, so seeing it in the daytime it would be better. So now instead of going to Chiba, we have come to Shibuya, and we are at the Shibuya Scramble Crossing, as you all saw in the last clip, and I'll show you all how it feels crossing at the Shibuya Scramble Crossing. I was hyped for this one, but one thing which has happened is that the Starbucks which was facing Shibuya has been closed, so we can't go there, sadly. But no problem, we'll cross at least. And there's an IKEA over here, we'll go there mostly. So first let's cross, and also there's this famous dog which they have over here. I forgot his name, but we'll see that guy also. Chalo. So guys, here we go on the Shibuya Scramble Crossing. Here are the scenes from the world's biggest or world's most crowded crossing here. Oh man, people, why you clicking pictures? Didi had to come in the middle. Here we crossing, man. And it's blinking, we gotta go fast. Faster bro, faster. And then so much rush. Bye. There are also people crossing. So hey guys, good morning. And after going to Shibuya last night, we have come to Chiba, as I told you all yesterday. So here we are in Chiba. We took the Keio line. We sat in the train for last 45 minutes, and we have reached Chiba Minato station. And from here the urban monorail operates, so we want to go in that. First I'll go to the washroom, then we'll move forward. So guys, here you all see the urban Chiba monorail going, the sky train. Yes. So the frequency I don't think is much. We are waiting here since the last 10 minutes. And this is the first sky train we saw. Otherwise it looks pretty good, you know.
It's fantastic.
Yeah. First we were actually planning.
It actually looks upside down. That's what it is, right?
You know, it's like that roller coaster which we sat in Warner Brothers. That was also like this kind of, you know.
The Flintstones.
No, Flintstones was the boat ride.
No.
Flintstones was the boat ride. No, Flintstones was the boat ride. So yeah, first actually we were thinking to stay here in Chiba for a few days, but then that plan got dropped. So yes, it looks amazing. Now let's head in that monorail. So guys, while we were exiting from the JR line, the Keio line, there's also this shuttle bus which is there here in Chiba. Chiba is pretty modernized, you all see, you know. It's kind of like Sapporo, but a smart city. So now let's head towards the Chiba Minato monorail station, and let's experience the SkyTrain or the Chiba Urban Monorail. So here we enter in the Chiba Urban Monorail. Here we go. I don't know why I act like a child whenever I'm going in these places. But the breeze here in Chiba is, a lot. So I पूरा button ऊपर तक पहन लिया jacket का. These jackets are pretty good from Uniqlo. I liked it. We bought it from Japan only. So now let's go on the monorail line. My mom found this thing, so I would like to thank her. Now let's buy the ticket first. Let's see how much it is for. Here my dad is buying the ticket. Which one to buy?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
So actually we bought the whole day pass here for 1600 yen because one like we want to ride this whole thing. So if we go from here Chiba Minato to the last station, it's like some 520 yen for adult and 260 for child. So if we took that, so it would be like we would take a round trip for sure, so then that would be 1040. So we bought day pass for 630 yen per person and two. So guys, first we took a parikrama from Chiba Minato station to what's the station's name? Kenchome station. So we took a parikrama. So my mom used that ride for making her reels. Now this ride is going to be dedicated to our YouTube channel. So like now on this ride I'll make the vlog. So I'll show you all how this monorail is, the SkyTrain is.
It's a must visit.
It's a must visit and the seating is very comfortable as you can see. So now let's enjoy the ride. I'll also take a glass photo which they have given it out. It's a pretty good thing, you know. It's only a 2-coach train, monorail. So now we'll go to Chiba Minato and then we'll take another line. Chiba Central. Okay. And guys, I was talking about frequency. The train is quite frequent. And here we go. The doors are closed, so now they start. Here the train goes. The glass floor in. Man, like amazing. The glass flooring. You can see the. Wow, bhai. The view is pretty good. You know, it feels like that hanging roller coaster. Actually, like I was talking about previously, when you're sitting on it, like sitting in the train also, it feels like that. Only one thing is that it's pretty slow. Yeah. The cars. And that turning के time, you know, it gives a pretty different feeling. The train wobbles pura. So yeah, that's how it is. Now it will go fast because it should go fast. I wish it goes fast because then it will give like थोड़ा अच्छा feel होता है. You'll see going behind me is the Chiba Urban Monorail. The Chiba Urban Monorail is a suspended monorail, meaning that the train swings freely in the sky. Also, this system is in the Guinness World Book Record, and this train costs only 630 yen for a day pass.
station is Yoshikawa Koen. CM17.
ये लगता है So guys, after going to Chiba, we did some shopping from Big Camera. My dad bought himself an Apple Watch, and my mom bought herself some amazing JBL these earphones. It's amazing. I'll show you all once we do the unboxing, and that we'll do in Mumbai, because it's tax free, so you can't open it in Japan. Also, I bought myself two controllers, PS4 controllers from here. That's the shopping we did. That took us around 4-5 hours, because not 4-5 actually 2 hours, because we had to do a lot of research. We had to go each and every corner to see mummy ka headphones and all. And I wasn't able to find my PS4 ka this controller, so for that also we had to search a lot, because in Japan people are using PC, like there are more of PC gamers here, so not much of console gaming. But Sony is of Japan, so they should have got something more. Like we went to that console wala section with camera, but there it was more of PS5. But then in one section I found that like there were these two controllers kept, so chalo wo bhi mil gaya. I'll show you all what we have purchased once we go home. Like they have not sealed the package like they did at Matsumoto Kiyoshi, but they have given it a normal bag. So, yeah. But we'll do the unboxing of my dad's watch and my mom's earphones mostly in tomorrow's vlog. That's when we are coming back to India. Yes, we are going back to India tomorrow. It's been an amazing time here in Japan. I really enjoyed. Everyone, like my parents also enjoyed a lot. And that train which we went in Chiba was super duper amazing. I loved it, all that Shinkansen rides, from that local train rides to that Nara ride, like that Nara ride which was there in the local train. That was amazing. That was one of my favorite rides, because the view which was there in Nara was amazing. That deers, maja aa gaya tha. Then also Hayabusa was good. That underwater it went, and we couldn't see anything, but yeah, it went underwater, and that it went to 320 kilometers. I would have shared that picture with you all. I was sleeping all the time in Shinkansen, but yeah, it's been an amazing trip. And the Pokemon cards which I bought myself for the first time, all because of just the hype in my school. So yeah, Japan was amazing, and I'm like sad also and excited also, because I'll be getting back to school, and that's why. So yeah, Japan is going to be over now in the next vlog. Next vlog is not the last vlog. I'm going to be putting 2-3 more vlogs after this, because about the information of Japan, what should be your itinerary and all, your budget. So yeah, that's how it's going to be. Now we have to wait another 19-20 minutes to get to Tokyo. We also had some food at an amazing udon noodles restaurant here, lunch here. So it was in Chiba, at Chiba Central Station, so we ate over there. My mom made the udons, so let's ask her how did she like it.
お客様にお願いいたします。車内では携帯電話をマナーモードに設定の上、通話をお控えください。ご協力をお願いいたします。The next station is Shinkoima JO23.
But yeah, it was good.
Okay, also we like that was my mom's review. So also we ate food at we also ate this fried chicken and shrimp tempura. That was also pretty good. It was very crispy. Maza aa gaya. Also that person gave us some good dip. That was also pretty good. It was like some fish ka dip. My dad didn't eat it because give the reason, please. Give the reason.
I don't eat all these things. I don't like.
shrimp tempuras.
No, I don't.
Okay, fine. You all must try if you all like local food. As me and my mom love local food.
Yes, but
Like my dad ate the ramen peacefully, but yeah, but this thing was like non-vegetarian, so my dad wouldn't eat all these things out. Also, like when we were in Vietnam, that time also you didn't eat that barley when we were in Hoi An. Yeah, I just ate a bite. My mom likes local food. So yeah, that's how our day went. My dad would be very excited after buying his iWatch. We actually went to buy a trimmer for him, but we came with an iWatch and 2 controllers and 1 pack of earphones. That's it. Nothing much, you know. Yeah. So like there was this ad coming up in the Yamanote line. So in that he was like, I want to buy this trimmer. I want to buy this trimmer. And then we were like, chalo, let's go today to Big Camel and buy it. When we went, we see that trimmer, that one Chutu such Panasonic trimmer, I'll put a picture over here, is worth 33,000 yen. Good business, bro.
33,000 yen was the lowest one. Better one was
for 45,000. So we were like, man, who's gonna buy this? So then we saw that iWatch. My dad was like, chalo, let's buy the iWatch. So that's how that story ended.
Yeah, but still, you know, we saved a lot of money.
Yeah, it's pretty cheap here in Japan.
If I would have bought this watch in India, I would have spent about 15,000 more.
Yeah, so it was pretty cheap. And also like the earphones which my mom has bought for herself are pretty unique. Like it's
the first time in the
world, yeah.
It's a digital earphone.
Like
First
that
time in the
case of that earphones is digital. So it was pretty unique. I'll show it to you all in the next vlog. Tune in next vlog. Yeah. We might be doing the unboxing inside the flight. In the skies. Upon the sky actually. Upon the sky. Upon the clouds.
The
On the
next
clouds.
station is Kingston
On the clouds.
JO22.
On top of the clouds. Yeah, so guys, after eating some amazing Indian khana, we ordered it at home from Volt, right? That WOLT. So Volt, it's a delivery app here in Japan. Here we have got some Krispy Kreme donuts. My parents got it. Amazing. Swad aa gaya bhai, swad. So yeah, let's review it as I always do. Indian khana ko chhod ke, yes. Because that's like apna ghar ka desh. Except Shib Mahal, bro. Shib Mahal and Banjira's Kitchen. If you all coming to Tokyo, go to Shib Mahal and Banjira's Kitchen. Go to Banjira's Kitchen for sure, man. That thali, oh, that thali you remember, na mummy? It was so good. That thali was so good. She doesn't want to come on camera. Okay. So now let's review it. Let's have the colorful one. It is good. It is good. It's more like, you know, strawberry flavor. So, for how much you all bought this thing?
2,500.
2,500 for the 2 boxes. Not that great. So it's not worth it. Don't buy Krispy Kreme. I don't know if it's like this in all over Japan, but this we bought from Sunshine City. So I didn't like it. The place we bought Pokemon cards from, yeah. It's not that great, you know.
Okay.
Like ज़्यादा flavor नहीं है. We are fond of eating mad over donuts, you know. That's why. वो taste मुंह के अंदर बैठ गया है.
अच्छा बंद कर.